poop. Uh-oh.
That's true.
Are we going to go get the mail?
No.
She's been having some trouble with that.
Uh-huh. See ya, birdie. Look all the birdies down there. On the sidewalk.
Oh, wow, look at them. Look down there, Nellie.
See, right.
See? Look down there on the sidewalk.
See them? Yeah. Oh, there's a whole bunch.
Wow, look at all those birdies.
And there's 2 turtle doves.
Is there a partridge in a pear tree?
There might be. You never know. There's a snake up in that tree. 2 snakes. The birds don't seem to care.
The birds are like, How many birds? Can you count them? Oh, they're flying away. I see the airplane. There it is. It's Southwest. You brought the turtles?
She did.
Just 2, right? Because that's all she's got. You're having technical difficulties with that skirt today.
That's going to fall down to your ankles.
That better?